There is nothing more frustrating than your AirPods not connecting so you can listen to your favorite music. There are many reasons why your AirPods might have trouble pairing with your Bluetooth devices. Some of the possible reasons include a low battery charge, Bluetooth issues, software update problems, hardware damage, debris on the AirPods or charging case, and more. Fortunately, we're going to go over some fixes so you can get them connecting again in no time. First, try resetting your AirPods. This is the most basic but effective solution you can try. As you use your AirPods, settings and software-related issues will eventually happen. Resetting the AirPods essentially restores them to factory settings, thus resolving firmware issues and other bugs. Here's how to reset AirPods. Put your AirPods in their case and close the lid. Wait for 30 seconds. Next, on your iOS device, go to Settings and Bluetooth. Tap the Info button next to your AirPods, select Forget this device, and confirm. Second, check your battery. If your AirPods are running a low charge, it may interfere with their ability to pair with your devices. The best way to ensure your AirPods charge properly is to place them in your charging case, then connect the charging case to a USB port or wall outlet with the appropriate lightning cable. Your AirPods charging case provides a quick battery level overview. If the light is green, with the AirPods in the case, the AirPods are fully charged. If the light is amber, they're not fully charged. If the light is amber, with the case empty, it means the case also needs to be charged. Last, you can try resetting your device. If the problem persists, even after an update, you can try resetting your device to fix AirPod sync issues. This won't remove any data, but will restore your device to factory default, which means you'll lose things like your stored Wi-Fi passwords and wallpapers. This is a more extreme measure to take, so before resorting to a reset, do a simple restart of your device to see if that helps. If you've tried all these tips and still can't get your AirPods to go into pairing mode, it's best to seek help from Apple. You can do this by contacting Apple support online or in person at your nearest Apple store or authorized Apple service provider. Anyways, we hope you guys enjoyed this one. Thanks for watching it, and we'll see you all in the next video.